everybody. It's a Bob Wilson band. That's Bob and Ed. They shot me this title. Did a little work on it, and I'm actually a poet since 1968. You know, a lot of songs. I do different things. Sometimes I just make up songs while I'm singing, and I watch a documentary on Jim Morrison, one of the greatest poets who ever lived. Why he drank so much and was such a rebel, I have no idea. But at 27 years old, he passed away. But he wrote a lot of. He was great in school. He was great. So I said, I'm a poet, man. So here's a poem that I wrote. She kept our home, and I kept my dog. It's like a country song to me. For those who don't know, Jim Morrison could not play an instrument. But what he had was a super sexy guy. He stopped tired of being a sex symbol and got fat and grew a beard. Well, if I was a sex symbol, I wouldn't do that. But he did that, and he drank and was against authority. His dad was an admiral in the U.S. Navy, and he was very strict. And he told Jim, "You can't sing." Really, the relationship wasn't very good between him and his parents. Here's my poem. I'm an old country boy. I'm as fair with everyone. My woman just cheated on me. She kept our home. I kept my dog named Blue. She was my first love, and I was so darn happy. My friends would tell me, man, she's with other guys. She's been cheating on me behind my back. Please, God, how could you do this to me? Oh, please, God, tell me it's not so. I loved her with all my heart and soul. I gave her everything I had. But still, she kept our home, and I kept my old dog named Blue. Bob Wilson, poet before the singer-songwriter, musician, producer. Thank you, Ed, for that great title. Peace out.